E-commerce logistics. E-commerce is an electronic exchange of information, goods, services, and payments over telecommunications networks. It involves mainly distribution, buying, selling, marketing, and servicing of products or services through the use of the internet.
Freight forwarders act as an intermediary between exporters, importers, or other companies organizing efficient transportations of goods. Freight forwarders also make an arrangement by satisfying the customer requirements using various services like shipping lines, airline road, and rail freight operators. What are the strengths for e-commerce to local freight forwarders? E-commerce allows electronic exchange of cargo documents through the internet, like bill of lading instructions, freight invoices, container status messages, motor carrier shipment instruction, and other documents with increase of accuracy and efficiency by eliminating the need to rekey or reformat the documents. E-commerce also enables streamlined document handling for shippers, freight forwarders, and trucking firms without the monetary and time investment required by the traditional document delivery system. Thus, paperwork is significantly reduced. E-commerce is the risk in the relationship between the seller and the customer by ensuring that the right product in the right place at a certain time to specific customer in the global market. E-commerce also offers better productivity, which means productivity for both companies and customers. Individuals often seek to find answer online since it is faster and cheaper, and it costs a lot cheaper expense as well for the company. It makes comparisons of price among a number of providers is possible, eventually leads the customer to a smart shopping experience with monetary savings. E-logistics transaction can be hassle-free without any needs on source, infrastructure investment, and other common things. The only requirement is to have a full-fledged website and good customer services. What about the threats? First threat is that the speed of disposal of the product which does not match up the swiftness of ordering. Specifically, the ordering speed may take of disposal of the product is deferred until the delivery of the product, and it can take up to several days. Another threat is that minority of customers won't be buying online as they want to feel and experience the product rather than seeing it in an e-commerce interface. The last threat is that maintaining customer service and relationship will be quite demanding. However, the current COVID-19 pandemic have swept throughout the world, especially in economic sectors. So how to improve the current e-commerce platform in order to adapt the pandemic situations? Here are some of the ways. First, adopt risk evaluation tools. Use technology. Try to enable mapping and environmental analysis solutions. Aggregate apps that provide geopolitical overviews and systems that can evaluate cyber threats. Second, run an easy-to-use platforms that allow users to show delivery lead time, taxes, and duties at checkout, which can go a long way in helping to manage customers' expectations during the disruptions. Make sure to do higher utilizations of warehousing facilities and maintaining logistics support to important sectors such as food and beverage, healthcare, and also oil and gas sectors. Lastly, create a supply chain emergency plan. Think about all the different ways to move goods around and consider setting aside an emergency budget that can be used in case of disruptions. As a conclusion, e-commerce is an essential requirement in modern business methodology that cut costs and at the same time increase the quality of services, and thus achieving greater efficiency in freight forwarding business. The scope and range of these benefits make it clear that e-commerce in the form of e-businesses, processes, the systems can have an enormous impact in terms of benefits to the entire supply chain.